Maraming mangyayari sa 49th season that we will try out. Marami nun, sabi ni Commissioner sa akin, hindi ko daw pwede sabihin. Mamaya, I might be able to tell you. Okay. Anyway, we're starting out with the 4-point shot, diba? So, now we have received 60% from the purists na bakit nyo ginagawa yun, but about 40% comments from the players, diba? Or from some other those involved in the game saying that's a good way of doing it. Matagal nang iniisip ng ibang liga to, maski ang NBA iniisip na nila to. In fact, FIBA is also thinking about it. Nauna tayo because we are PBA, we are entertainment basketball. So we will do that. The other rules that in our journey to redefine who we are in the PBA will be explained by Eric later on. Some of the subtle changes that we will do in the game to make it more exciting. But there are 2 or 3 more rules that we are studying that will probably change the way basketball will be played. So, sabi nga nila, if you do not innovate, you die. So we have decided to innovate. So your PBA is going to innovate with the fans in mind. So we're also looking at many ways where we can engage the fans in the Coliseum, no? when they come to one. Now, being the 50th season, di ba? 49th season, sabi ng board, why don't we do something special sa opening? So, dahil 49, the board has agreed that all tickets, first come, first serve, upper box, and above, will be 49 pesos. So, during opening day, tickets will be 49 pesos for everybody who would like to come and watch opening day. During opening day, we normally have a lot of fans who come and attend. But this time, we're going to open it to people who will remember that 49 pesos. Dapat nga 49.99 eh. Pero sabi namin 49 na lang. So, because it's the 49th season. So, we are inviting everybody, first come, first serve, to avail of that pasasalamat ng PBA board and the PBA community para ma-invite lahat sa season. The other thing is, maybe I should announce, the board has also approved that in the second conference, unlimited height na. So, not this conference, but the second conference, we will have unlimited height of import. And hopefully, through the negotiations of our commissioner and our vice chairman, Al Francis, we're almost there. I think I can say 90% that we will have a guest team. No? So, Hong Kong Eastern. They are a very competitive team, and I'm told baka stronger pa than the previous team. No? So we are also preparing our teams to be able to compete. So yun. So we have a guest, and I think the journey of the 50th anniversary begins today on the 49th, and planning has been very with our partners in media. We saw a pitch from different marketing companies, and soon we will launch what the 50th anniversary will be. It's a journey, it's a reface, it's not an event, it's the new PBA for the next 50 years. We begin now 49th season. So salamat, and thank you for attending this conference. And again, Salamat sa Board of Governors and everyone who attended the planning session, who had the openness to try something new and to innovate during that process. So thank you.